Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're working on sandblasting yet again. So I wasn't gonna make this a two-part deal, but I figured, what the heck, why not? So I'm already doing blasting. I'm actually giving the air compressor a little bit of a break because it's rather warm. So I noticed a good bit of moisture coming out of the gun, and it's been running for probably 20 minutes straight. So figured I'd give it a bit of a break. But in the last video, y'all seen we made some improvements. We sealed this thing up even around the glass. Toward the end of that video, we added some bricks. Oh yeah, there you go. Added some bricks under here for me. Helped me out a little bit. Still not quite tall enough, but it works much better. And a few other things. So in that video, we got our track bar bracket blasted. You can see it here. So it's ready for powder coat. Give it a good wipe down, and it'll be ready. And then we started on our other radius arm bracket. Got it done. I couldn't get in here, so we're just gonna leave that. I figure if I can't hardly sandblast in there, we're probably not going to be able to powder coat in there either. And that's fine, because this is going to get all be covered, so I'm not worried about it. But we got the outsides done. We got all the edges done, even in here, up top, and inside all the bolt holes. So got it done, and it's got some fingerprints on it, but I've already started on the other one. So I gotta get this one done, flip it over, do the other side, do all the edges on that one, and then we still have the little spring perch deals. I think I'm gonna do those. Possibly, they're kind of rough anyway, and they're not coated, I don't think. So I'll probably take something and try to scrape it, see if any coating comes off. And if not, we might just send it and powder coat those without blasting them. If something comes off of them, like a coating, I'll go ahead, throw them in there, get them blasted. And then there's two little brackets that are for the brake line. I need to get those done. I'll do the same thing. Try to scrape them. If anything comes off of them, like a coating, we'll go ahead and blast them. If not, we'll just probably send it, because I'm getting about tired of sandblasting. But anyway, we're making pretty good progress. I would like to powder the lift tomorrow, because it's supposed to rain the day after tomorrow, and I don't want these bare metal parts hanging out in here while it's raining. So that's the goal, and I'm going to try to get this stuff done. That way, either tonight or tomorrow, we can come out here and start powder coating. Alright guys, so here we have it. All pieces are blasted, front and back. Did the edges on these. Like I mentioned, I couldn't really I got as much as I could, but I can't get in there with that gun. And also thought I would show this. Thought it was pretty funny. So the nozzle on this gun, I think we might need to change it. Go out on a limb here. This side looks pretty normal. Well, it's yeah, well used. But anyway, we're gonna get everything broke down. While I was working on this, my grandpa's been out here working on soffits. So get all those replaced down through there. Hopefully keep the squirrels out. I know we got one. That's why we didn't put this last piece on over here. We have one in there, and I don't think he knows how to get out. So hopefully he will find his way out tonight, and we will have no more squirrels in the attic. But anyway, like I said, that is the lift. All blasted, ready for powder. I'm not going to do those other pieces. I looked, they are both raw, so all we got to do with those is just wipe them down, hit them with some powder. Okay, so I was looking back on my phone through everything. So on the track bar bracket here, we have about 8 hours worth of blasting between the gun changes, siphon tube changes, and everything else. So we have 8 hours on just the track bar bracket. Now on the two radius arm brackets, did both of those today, which is pretty good. It's about 6:30, something like that, I think. I don't know for sure. I started, let's see, what time did I start today? About 11. So I'd say that's pretty good. 8 hours in those two, with taking breaks and stuff like that. With letting my back rest and the air compressor rest. So I would say that's pretty good. Now, eventually, we were just talking about it. I think we're going to try to get a blast pot and plumb into that cabinet. That should help things out. I think we want to change the glass. And then if we get a blast pot and plumb into it, it'll have a dead man style handle. Or like a gun or whatever. It's not really a gun, but if you've seen them before, you know what I'm talking about, a dead man nozzle. So those, you don't have an air line and a feed line, you just have one line. The blast pot is pressurized, pushing sand and air through the nozzle. So I think we're going to try to get one of those, do that. Like I said, upgrade the glass. We need to figure out something about moisture. That works, but after the compressor gets hot, it's more than it can handle, I guess. So I guess that's not a bad thing, because it kind of warns you, hey, the compressor's getting hot. Take a minute, you know. And then also I think we're going to try to get a dust deputy for the dust control. So that's a bunch of stuff that we would like to do in the future. But for the time being, y'all see over there, the lift is all finished. I know it sounds like a lot of time for just that. The track bar bracket, again, we had kind of the trials and tribulations of new parts and figuring out different stuff and different setups and everything. So it kind of is what it is, and it's an intricate piece with lots of stuff going on. Whereas the track bar brackets are relatively flat and not a whole lot going on with those. But anyway, this is my first time ever sandblasting anything. So I'm pretty happy with how that all turned out. Again, there are some changes we would like to make to that little setup, but for the time being, it gets the job done. So we're gonna go ahead, move all that stuff back over here. We need to pull my car back in, the 300 sitting back there. And I think tomorrow we're gonna try to come out here and do some sandblasting, or not some sandblasting, some powder coating. So on these, and those other pieces over there, it's a 2-stage powder. We're doing chrome and purple. If you didn't know that, we're doing purple on the 6.0. So we got to do that. We got to figure out how it is we're going to bake everything. I think we're going to try to hang everything, but I think we're going to have to do these 3 pieces each separately. You know, chrome, purple, chrome, purple, chrome, purple, and then we'll just have to switch back and forth between chrome and purple every single time we do a part, which kind of sucks. I would rather do all chrome and then all purple, but we thought it would be best to just stick to one piece at a time for the 3 big pieces, and then for the pucks themselves and those little brackets, we're going to do those hopefully all at the same time, get those all knocked out all in one. So anyway, guys, I guess that's probably going to be it. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned because we do have a bunch in store. I just kind of got in the kick this week and need to get stuff done. So we got that. I'm going to try to get that on the truck before my birthday. Right now we got about a month. This is the first day of March. So I'm going to try to get this done, get it on the truck, get those on the truck as well, get the frame painted, all the AC stuff there and over there. I'm going to try to get that stuff on there before then as well, if possible. But I really want to get the lift, wheels, and tires on there and get all that stuff done. So anyway, guys, with that being said, thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day.